Alrighty guys, so in this video we're going to go over Form Builder. So whenever you click sites over here, you're going to see funnels, websites, analytics, all this jazz. We're going to come over to Forms, and then you're going to go to Builder. It will be the first thing that pops up if you just click Forms. You'll also be able to view your submissions and your analytics in the same little tab, but if you just click Forms, this will pop up. You'll have many folders. As time goes on, you'll have many folders. You can either start from scratch or start from a template. I suggest starting with a template if it's not something very specific that you're trying to make. Like a regular, generic thing, we have hundreds of templates for this. So for instance, if you want to something like this, you go to Add Template, and they're very customizable. You come in here and I'll show you exactly how this works. All right, cool. Now that we're in here, you just click on this little Styles and Options button, and we can start doing all kinds of things in here. If you want to edit a very specific element of the form itself, you click it and you will be able to edit exactly whatever you want to edit here. And, if you want to change this photo, we can do that. If you want to move it left, right, if you want to move these around, you can. We can change this to single columns. We can change it to 2 column, we can change it to a single line. I don't usually suggest that unless you're trying to gather very limited information. 2 columns normally, what we're going to go for. And then, if you want a line instead of a box, I think these look sexier, but you can absolutely go with the box and then change the color of the box if you want. As you can see, we just changed the color of the box by just clicking that. You can change the border, you can change the color of these. We can drag and drop these around. And then we can also go ahead and add elements right here. Full name, first name, last name, date of birth, phone, email, button. So with a button, this is like where they actually submit information. You can do a lot of different things with a button. Like you could put your phone number there and make it clickable. You can completely customize a button to make it do whatever you want it to do. But that's what a button does. You throw in your address, your city, all those things. Add text. HTML is going to be when you're adding JavaScript or anything like that in there. Add an image, add a captcha. Captcha is just going to be these are customizable as well, but like phone, email kind of thing. And then your terms and conditions page, you definitely want to edit this. You got to have this if you want to be able to text or call them. So you're definitely going to have to add that. And normally these get added right down here. So you would just add it right here, or you would add it there. Normally above the button, you can add source. So a lot of these things are customizable. If you have any questions, just shoot us a message or a call, and we sure should be able to help you. Change the name of it up here and whatnot. Cool. That's how you build a form. If you have any questions, just let us know. Until then, thank you so much and have a great day.